Yes, all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching me. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Morris, the Crochet Master. And yes, I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Clippers with Z. We are located in Intinda, Ministers Village, to all those ones who would want our services. And those ones who would want to come and learn, yes, we have a school of beauty, and that is Hair by Clippers Beauty School. Yes, come and join us so that you can be a pro like me. And I promise you, I'll be the one also to among the instructors to teach you how to do all these hairstyles. So this time around, I'm with my daughter, and I'm trying to style her something that is for her party, as you're going to be seeing. And I would like to embrace her natural hair. You know, when I talk about natural hair, you know what it can do. So this time around, I feel like we can style it without any hair extension. So please join me and we do this together and see the results. And after seeing the result, I would like you to go straight in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching this video from. And if possible, please don't forget to leave me a like. Just like the video, tell me where you're watching from, and if you have any question to ask, just ask and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's get it on and see how it is going to look like for my daughter's party. Yes, as a queen indeed. Let's get it on.
A little loving, boy, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no mukugo bumajiche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master, ya kuku kamo vidi kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, wa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Morris. Crochet Master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking. Yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you. Yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, oh no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, crochet master. No. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good. Yeah. Yeah. Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold na yonyumide gwe nokamala. Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa Morrisidi crochet master. Bali professional movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la vikanga queenie. All in it like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la vikanga mutini. All in it like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Ministers Village alongside Jambo Goroni. Ministers Village alongside Jambo Goroni.
Hairback keepers. Jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence said we give it out to like you with the best to none. Anya wakana ruleta tuja kula game bidi twazitenga. Tuliba big baller shot callers tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody clippers with the best. 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 Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Tolina chongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. Temuli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Jemviri bakubwa balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh na na, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah. A number one project master, Morris. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na 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 na, na 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 na. Yeah, one time, baby. Yeah, hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bobuviri mwato buliyo. Basi bemisono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, follow Hair by clippers.